Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be going through this course with Vincent, and this is chapter 14 of the crash course to Python. Yes, and we're looking at adding scores to our Python game we've created. So, we're looking at the interactive GUI. Um, that is a graphic user in the game state. Okay. Now, to prevent the game from starting automatically, the code introduces what state management and an interactive graphic user element. So all we have is the game activity control, the new Boolean flag. It first starts with a Boolean flag. Let's look at this file over here. So that's the button.py. So this is what is happening in here. So it starts with the Boolean flag. Let's come to the implementation.py and see. Okay. So usually a flag is like it starts the game for us active. So it's gonna be true or false. You can see here. But here it starts with false. So it doesn't start automatically. But it's gonna be true only if we click on the button. And the button has been embedded here. But we are able to access the button because we are importing this button from our built-in. This right here. So after clicking the button, you're going to be able to play the game. It's just a built-in graphic user component uh, in a in a Py game. Okay. So we also have click detection, which is also going to be our event listeners. It listens for our keyboard, our mouse down when we're playing with a mouse or our keyboard. Actually, we click with our spacebar to shift or remove left or right with the keyboard. Okay. So we also have like a cursor um, UX, yeah, refinement. It clean up the the gameplay area using the mouse cursor. Okay, so that is what is happening. And we also have progressive difficulty because as we play the game, the level becomes um, harder and harder. Because if we should finish this level, what we realize is that now instead of the aliens moving slowly, now they're gonna start moving faster and faster and faster. So we increase the shape of the speed of the ship, and then the bullets as well. It's also gonna move faster, and we multiply. Everything is gonna be moving faster and faster. Mm. So that is what is happening, and then we have real time score system. So when you look up here at the upper right corner, we can see the scores. So let's try playing again and see. So see, as I shoot, you can see the score on the top right corner. So that is what is happening. So basically, that is it. And we can see all of this has been. So you can see the score here. This is the calculation that is done. The alien point times the number of aliens. So that is the score you're gonna have. So the more aliens you have, the more the score. That's what makes it the game fun as you progress in the game. So that is what is happening. Yeah. And then we also have visual polish. That is the round and commas. So yeah, it makes it nicer. And we have persistent high score. So persistent high score allows you not to misplace your initial high score. It saves it down for you so that when you keep as you keep playing, moving from level to level, you maintain that high score. And then when you beat that high score, the value of the high score changes. And then, as when you use to other games, you know how the high score works, which stays permanent, centered at the top of the interface. As you can see that when we have it here, the score is stored over there. See, the score keeps increasing. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it on chapter 14, which is we added the scores here, and then we have the code for it. There's the scoreboard. So whatever we did in the scoreboard is here, and what is being described on our right hand side is what the code is talking about in here. Well, the code seems lengthy, and we have to summarize everything. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Vincent, for being here. Yeah.
No problem.